Today, Fizza has made this scrumptious baked Alfredo pasta. Whoa!
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are 1 cup pasta, boneless chicken 1 cup, onion cubed half cup, half cup parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, garlic powder 1/4 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half cup mushrooms, these are canned mushrooms, 1 cup mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper to your taste, oil 2 tablespoons and milk 1.5. First I will add my pasta in the boiling water and let it boil. I will add some oil in it. Now I will make my white sauce. Add butter. Let it melt. Now add all-purpose flour. Cook it for a couple of minutes. After 1 minute, I will add salt and pepper and garlic powder. After cooking it approximately 1 minute, I will add milk in it. Stir it so it won't get lumpy. After cooking it 1 minute, I will add parmesan cheese. And turn off the heat. Add 2 tablespoons oil and add chicken. After 1 minute, add onion and mushroom. Let's cook it for next 3 or 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will add salt and pepper and soy sauce. After approximately 5 minutes, I will add my white sauce in it. Don't cook it too much, otherwise the sauce will get lumpy. I will spray my pan with oil. Then I will add my pasta in it. Add the chicken and white sauce mixture on the top. After spreading the chicken and the mixture on the top, I will add parmesan cheese. Now I will place it in the oven. The oven is preheated on 380 degrees F. After 10 minutes, my pasta is ready.